Hello guys, and welcome back to this new tutorial. Normally you have a mouse plugged in but it doesn't work. How to fix it? So use this laptop mouse and open window, then write services. Open it like this. You see, I'm using just this one. I'm not using this that isn't not working. Okay, so search for this one. En français, accès de préféré d'interface utilisateur. You're going to find it off or on the manual. Change it to the automatic, and here you're going to find it off. Turn it on and your mouse is going to work again. You see? Hope you like this video and see you in the next video.